Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time on your Apple devices. So guys, if you're trying to change your country or region on your Apple device but you are unable to change it and you're facing this problem again and again, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings in your device, and from here you have to tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on subscriptions. So guys, wait here for some seconds, and from here going to your subscriptions you have to simply make sure that you have no unpaid subscription on your Apple device. So guys, here you can see this, there is no unpaid subscription in my device as well. So guys, check your all subscription, and if there is any unpaid subscription then pay it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go back to your settings again, and from here you have to tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and you have to simply sign out your Apple device for one time. So guys, do this, and from here you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. And after this you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser and search here for support.apple.com. So guys, simply search here for support.apple.com. So guys, here it is, and from here you have to simply select your device, and after this you have to simply contact the Apple support team. So guys, simply select your device and contact the Apple support team, and you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way, and after this your report will be sent to Apple team and they will oversight this matter and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.